Welcome to PA's Global Innovation and Technology Centre. 10,000 square metres of labs, workshops and engineering facilities where we bring ingenuity to life. It's been our home for 45 years, designed and built for us by Rogers and Piano. We're very proud of our space. So let me take you around. Let's go inside.
So at PA, we believe that true innovation really comes from that deep understanding of the physical, the digital and the human worlds. You find us here in our facility, the Observatory, which is a facility we use to really get under the skin and that understanding of human behaviour in the context of a consumer or a patient or a citizen or whatever it might be. And this gives us the ability to really understand how people respond to new experiences in a real world setting. We'll back that up with online research and research in the wider world to really form that fully rounded picture and understanding of human behaviour.
So here's one of our design labs where we really try to bring ingenuity live. Hi Nicola, don't mind me, you carry on. So we're able to bring together a diverse team of designers, user experience experts, scientists and engineers to really face up to some of our clients' biggest challenges. And it's where some of the big ideas that have come out of PA are born right here in this room.
So it turns out that a lot about innovation is just hard work. It takes a broad variety of skills to get the job done. And this is where much of that work happens. We bring together diverse sets of skills: designers, engineers, mechanical engineers, software, electronics, physicists, chemists, biologists, human factors experts, bringing together that diverse set of skills to focus around the client challenge and bring ingenuity to life. We work across a wide variety of sectors, from transport and energy, financial services, consumer, healthcare, and life sciences. Sometimes a client challenge requires a real innovation and understanding of a core science. This is our main laboratory facility. We're regulated to 13485, which means we can develop medical devices and diagnostics. And this facility gives our scientists, our physicists and our biologists the facilities that they need in order to get the job done. Of course, a good design on paper is no substitute for the real thing. This is our rapid prototyping suite, 3D printers, SLA machines. We're able to lift that design off the page and put it into the hands of consumers, patients, and customers. And in doing so, we can test and we can learn and we can iterate at double quick time in order to get that feedback and get that design cycle moving much faster.
So this is where we build the real stuff. This is one of our main machining areas where we're able to build tools, products, even whole manufacturing capabilities for our clients. Our engineering services team are here to build the facilities that we need in order to get our job done.
Of course, we live in a massively digitally connected world these days. There are very, very few things in life that don't have a connection to the internet. This is our main electronics facility. This is where we're designing, inventing, creating, bringing to life that next generation of human connected devices to bring about that future Internet of Things empowered world.
Sometimes the innovation is not just about the product. Sometimes it's about the way you make that product. This is the facility where we're testing new manufacturing processes. We're challenging the conventional thinking about what's possible in terms of personalization, in terms of rapid prototyping, in terms of injecting these new techniques into traditional manufacturing lines. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me on this short tour of our Global Innovation and Technology Centre here in Cambridge. I hope you find time to come and see us. There's no substitute for the real thing. But we're proud of this place and we're proud of the brilliant people here. We think it really makes a big difference for PA and for our clients. And at PA, we believe in the power of ingenuity to build a positive human future in a technology-driven world.